Hi, I'm Kenny and I'm lead design at Mechanix. I want to talk about the tactical versions of our M-Pact gloves just for a second. Carrying on the tradition of our retail versions of the M-Pact gloves, our automotive or our high energy sector M-Pact gloves. The gloves that are made for tactical, for law enforcement, for security, feature colorization, features materials, and features specific details that are catered towards its environment and its use. Sublimated track dry material, very high performance material, wicks and pulls perspiration away from your body, spreads it out over the material and lets the air dry it. The palm side of the material, as with all Mechanix wear gloves, 100% touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. It has the same amount of capability from the time you buy the glove until the time you find the glove no longer useful. It's embellished with armor text on the palm side of the glove to add grip, to add another layer of protection. Very highly rated in abrasion resistance, very highly rated in cut, puncture, and tear. We also use D3O on the palm side of this glove. We removed the sight holes so that it's I guess less visible when you're out in the field, and obviously visibility is a key thing when you're dealing with covert or with camouflage gloves. But we do feature the D3O on the palm side of the glove. That D3O sucks up the energy of an impact, whether it's a recoil or a swinging impact, and it sucks in that energy and gets rid of it. It doesn't transmit it to your body, doesn't transmit it in the sense of adding fatigue or stress to your body. So the D3O on the palm side of the glove, as used in the tactical impact in all our impact gloves, is a very, very useful feature.
The hard knuckle glove. It was created for everyday protection. It's discreet, each knuckle recessed beneath the fabric. Each knuckle itself independent, so it allows for splaying and for flex of the hand. The U-shaped gusset, cut specifically for the tang for superior recoil control. The back of the hand, a four-way stretch fabric, great for everyday use, Velcro resistant, and great use for everyday of your kit. The fourchettes, vented and perforated. The hand, goat skin, washable, touchscreen friendly. The cuff, cut lower so you can really articulate your hands. The closure, Velcro for superior close fit. A watch cutout so that the crown doesn't interfere with your glove rotation.
Thank you for considering TAC-9er tactical gloves for your next tactical adventure. The thing that makes TAC-9er tactical gloves unique is our exclusive Kevlar lining. We use genuine Kevlar fabric to line our gloves to help with high temperature and sharp object situations. What good is a tactical glove if it isn't durable and comfortable? So we made our gloves with breathable neoprene and anti-slip fabric and included adjustable hook and loop straps that can give you that perfect fit. And don't worry, you can even use your touch screens too, because we've thought of that by adding sensitive fingertips that work with touch screens. We want to ensure that you get the perfect fit for your TAC-9er tactical gloves. So for that reason, we put together this handy sizing chart. Make sure you pick between small, medium, large, and extra large based on your palm size shown here. Don't worry, once they arrive and they aren't the perfect size, we'll exchange them for you for free. Our high-performance design makes it ideal for hiking, mountaineering, airsoft, and other multi-outdoor sports. They're also suitable for law enforcement, handling heavy machinery, construction, woodworking, motorcycling, and gardening. So our gloves are up for any tough job without sacrificing comfort and functionality. You can buy TAC-9er tactical gloves with confidence because we include a 5-year warranty. No matter how hard you abuse our gloves, if anything happens to them within 5 years, just send them back and we'll send you a brand new pair free of charge, no questions asked. Thanks again for considering TAC-9er tactical gloves, and good luck with your next adventure.
Hi, my name is Kenny Safford and I'm on the design team at Mechanix Wear, and this is the tactical FastFit. This happens to be in a coyote color. Fit, features, and function on the FastFit are all top level. The beauty of the glove is of course the track dry on the back side of the hand. The track dry is a wicking material. It pulls moisture from your hand, cools your hand, and keeps blisters to a minimum. But the palm side of the glove is where the features really shine. We use a 0.6 material on the palm. Very high in dexterity, very high in wear, but it's completely machine washable, which is great. If they get dirty, just toss them in the washer, hang them to dry. They're as good as new. They're completely touchscreen capable for the lifetime of the glove. So every digit and the palm is all touchscreen capable and it never wears out. The fit of the glove is where the FastFit really shines. The anatomical shape of the gussets, the areas between the fingers, are shaped so that you use less energy to open your hand or close your hand, so you get less fatigue, and it also increases grip. On the wrist area, we use a 0.8 stretch. This is super comfortable and it keeps debris from falling on the inside. The thumb area of the glove is a set-in thumb. That means that it's not just one piece, it's actually two pieces. So this enhances the interface between the glove and a firearm. So whether you're using a handgun or a rifle or whatever you're using, there isn't any excess bunching or material, so that the way that the FastFit fits your hand is pretty seamless. No extra materials, rollover fingertips, double stitching. The FastFit is a great choice no matter what your activity.